And Papa Tong.
Tonggi.
Tong. Sorry. Palakpakan naman po natin ang parents ng ating Devita.
Oo. Si ano. Dali, tanta lang. Tita escort.
Maraming salamat po sa family ng ating Devita.
Sasabihin pa ba yung escort? Yung pangalan? Cedric. Ang escort ka kapatid niya.
We are gathered here tonight to witness the transformation of a young girl to a beautiful lady.
Ang labo ng ano.
We are very lucky for we are chosen to be here
Dali, habol mo, te.
in momentous occasion
Habol mo.
in our Devita.
Ses, habol mo yung cellphone na mama.
You see her grow up, you see her smile, you see her